Welcome dear children. In this video session, you are going to learn Unit 3 poem Patriotism. Children, what is meant by patriotism? It is a concept which brings people together. A feeling of belongingness, love and pride towards the nation. Patriotism means love and devotion for one's country. It can be shown in variety of ways through actions, conversations or attitudes. In simple words, it is the feeling of love and devotion and sense of attachment to a homeland and association with other citizens who share the same sentiment. Dear children, do you love your country? Yes, we all love our country. Are you proud to be an Indian? Very good. Now, let's see the poem. Patriotism. Will we live in a country without inner boundaries? Will we treat everyone alike or will we show our dislike? Will we stick to our core or will we become foreign? Yes, we love our nation, divided when seen as persons. Yes, we have different language, yet our integrity shouldn't damage. Will we make our mother proud or be with her like the crowd? Learn how to be kind and love each of a child. Okay, children. We'll see the first stanza. Will we live in a country without inner boundaries? Will we treat everyone alike or will we show our dislike? Here, the poet begins the poem by asking question. Will we live in a country without inner boundaries? Here, country, it is often referred to as the land of an individual's birth or residence. Which is our country? Yes, India is our country. What is meant by boundary? A line which marks the limits of an area, otherwise a dividing line. In this picture, you can see India with its different states. Children, there are 28 states and 8 union territories in our country. Here, what you have to know is India is our country. Tamil Nadu is our state. Each state has boundaries and each state has unique demography, history, culture, language, dress, festivals, caste, religion, etc. So, the poet is asking few questions to all of us, that is to readers, because we are living in a country where there are many differences or divisions like this language, dress, festival, religion, caste, etc. The poet's feeling is to break down all these inner barriers and live together without any inner boundaries and treat everyone alike. What is mean by alike? Same. That is, without showing any partiality, we must treat everyone alike in the same way. Okay. We'll move to the second stanza. Will we stick to our core in or will we become foreign? Yes, we love our nation, divided when seen as persons. Here, the poet talks about core. What is core? Our true self, our value system. We have to learn values of a nation, that is truth, non-violence, honesty, dedication, respect, etc. Children, you are taught from your childhood to respect your elders always. Here, the poet is asking, are we going to stick on to our values as responsible people of the country, or we are going to keep away these values as foreigner? What is mean by foreign? Distant, not native, situated outside a place or country. Foreigner means a person born in or coming from a country other than one's own, Ayalnatavar. So, the poet is asking, are we going to stick on to our values as responsible person of the country, or we are going to keep away these values as foreigner? In this third line, the poet ensures that we love our country, but as persons, that is, as individual, we are divided in many ways, as we saw before, like language, religion, color, caste, etc. Okay, children. Next, we'll move to the third stanza. Yes, we have different language, yet our integrity shouldn't damage. Will we make a mother proud or be with her like the crowd? Here, the poet reveals about the different languages in our country. Children, India is home to several hundred languages. There are 22 official languages in India. Other than this, there are more than 1500 dialects in India. He accepts the different languages at the same time. We shouldn't damage our integrity. What is meant by integrity, children? A state of being wholesome, quality of being honest, and having strong principles. In simple words, it is doing the right thing when even when no one is watching. So, the poet demands the readers to make a mother proud. Here, mother refers to our motherland, our country. We, the responsible people, make a mother proud, that is, a motherland, a country proud by maintaining our integrity, honesty as an individual person, and keep up our unity as a responsible citizen. And the poet asks the readers, are we going to be just crowd? What is mean by crowd? A large number of people living together in unruly way, that is without any rules. That so the poet asks the readers, are we going to stand together in unity though we have diversities, or are we going to be indifferent or ignore the responsibilities and just be one among the crowd as onlookers? Okay, we'll see the last two lines. Learn how to be kind and love each of her child. In these last two lines, the poet advises to all of us to learn to be kind and love everyone of the motherland as children of hers. Okay, children, this is a simple poem about patriotism. I'll read once more. You listen carefully. Will we live in a country without inner boundaries? Will we treat everyone alike, or will we show our dislike? Will we stick to our Koran, or will we become foreign? Yes, we love our nation, divided when seen as persons. Yes, we have different language, yet Our integrity shouldn't damage. Will we make our mother proud or be with her like the crowd? Learn how to be kind and love each of a child. Okay, children. Now we'll see the glossary. Number 1, boundaries, a dividing line. Boundaries, a dividing line. A line which marks the limits of an area. Number 2, core, a true self, value system. Number 2, core, a true self, value system. Values, what are the values? Honesty, confidence, hard work, non-violence, truth, etc. Number 3, foreign, distant. Foreign, distant, like a part of a different thing, situated outside a place or country. Number 4, integrity, the state of being wholesome. The state of being wholesome. Integrity means quality of being honest and having strong moral principles. Nermai. Number 5, proud, feeling honored. Proud, feeling honored. Next, we'll see the match the following. Number 1, treat everyone alike. Treat everyone alike. Number 2, nation, not divided as people. Nation, not divided as people. Number 3, kind, love each of her child. Kind, love each of her child. Number 4, country, no inner boundaries. Country, no inner boundaries. Rhyming words, alike, dislike. Alike, dislike. Crowd, proud. Crowd, proud. Korean, foreign. Korean, foreign. Country, boundary. Country, boundary. Answer the following. Number 1, how should we treat everyone? How should we treat everyone? We should treat everyone alike. We should treat everyone alike. Number 2, what is our core? Our core is our value system. Our core is our value system. Number 3, how do we keep our integrity? How do we keep our integrity? We keep our integrity by being united. We keep our integrity by being united. Number 4, how can we make our nation proud? We can make our nation proud by maintaining integrity. We can make our nation proud by maintaining integrity. Number 5, a country should have inner boundaries. Justify. A country should have inner boundaries because it gives us a sense of ownership and freedom. A country should have inner boundaries because it gives us a sense of ownership and freedom. Okay, children, learn well. Thank you. Have a nice day.